Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write your autobiography in English. Everyone has a good story to share. An autobiography is an opportunity to tell a life story and shape how others remember us. It is an entire lifetime of experiences and memories and a unique path through life's ups and downs that is worth recording. This video will provide you with guidance on how to write an autobiography. For better understanding and learning, I have divided this into 5 subheadings. First subheading is Introduction. I am, here write your name, born on, write your date of birth, in, write the name of your birthplace. For example, I'll be writing, I am Khushi Sharma, born on 7th October 2001 in Delhi. I belong to a caring family that has never left me behind in my life of learning. From childhood, I have been a curious and optimistic individual. Always looking forward to learning new things. Next subheading is My Childhood. I grew up in, here write the name of your hometown, during my childhood years. Where I spent my happy and carefree years filled with laughter and lessons. I was a playful child who enjoyed playing games outside. Reading books and socializing with family and friends. My academic life started at write the name of your first school, where I found my areas of interest in subjects such as here mention some of the here mention some of your favorite subjects. Next subheading is my education and interests. I am presently studying in class 11 at write the name of your school. You can also change the name of your class. Where I am pursuing my studies as well as extracurricular activities. I have a great interest in here mention your hobbies or passions. And love playing. Here you can mention all of your interests such as sports, music, writing, painting or any other activity that you like or love to do. I feel that education does not only imply studies but learning skills and gaining knowledge in other fields as well. Next subheading is challenges and achievements. Life has not been simple, but I have learned to rise above challenges with determination and diligence. One of my greatest achievements to date is here you can mention any award, competition or personal achievement of yours. I have learned to value perseverance and self confidence from these experiences. The last subheading is as I continue, I look forward to developing a career in here mention your dream career and being a contributing member of society. I hope to keep on learning and evolving, utilizing my potential to the fullest. I wish to become a responsible and successful person who leaves a mark on the world.